Dr. Silky Pandey, a senior consultant physician and diabetologist working at Ayushman Hospitals, Dwarka. And I've also been attached to Manipal Hospitals as a visiting consultant. And I have my own private clinic at Sector 4, Dwarka. I've been practicing for around 22 years, and out of which 10 years I worked in Dubai and Qatar. Uh, about heart failure, it's a very common thing. I will tell you in a very brief thing which a lay person can understand. It's basically inability of the heart to pump effectively, so as to maintain enough blood flow to meet the body's need. Or you can say a simple weakness in the pumping act function of the heart is so that means the heart is failing, cannot pump the blood effectively, and it can be a result of any abnormality in the heart which results in impaired ejection of the blood, or there can be an impaired filling of blood into the heart. So, and as we see, the common symptoms would be a shortness of breath, chest pain, easy fatigue, and fast heart rate, as well as swelling in the legs, which is a very common symptom. Where like it can be seen from a distance, so you should recognize this. A person having swelling, it could be in the feet or a generalized, we call it anasarca, along with shortness of breath, you should rule out this. Like heart failure, what are the people who are exposed to heart failure? That could be underlying diabetes, hypertension, or people who have like congenital defects or valvular defects in the heart, or who have a previous history of MI, that is myocardial infarction or heart attack, are usually prone to develop heart failure. So heart failure usually manageable with simple lifestyle changes and moderate changes in the diet. Like you need to decrease salt in the diet, avoid overexertion. Plus, nowadays we have certain medications which help in improving the heart failure, or the other newer therapies like patients having cardiomyopathies and all dilated cardiomyopathies who are their heart function is very low, below 30%. So we have an ICD implantation also for those with severe heart failure. Otherwise, the sacubitril and valsartan combination is working very good, which have been there in the market for around 2 years, and it has been working very good in the treatment of heart failure, which is a newer drug modality. Nowadays, heart failure is easily manageable. You continue with your lifestyle and the dietary modifications. Plus, you need to avoid alcohol, smoking, tobacco. These are the few things which can be done as in a lifestyle. Plus, you adhere to your medications, visit your doctor frequently with the mildest symptoms, and have a routine checkup for the newer medications are available. Have a newer checkups, whatever is being advised, whether it was a echocardiography or simple test like pro-BNP, which is a simple marker blood test which can early detect heart failure. That should be done. And frequent visits and evaluation by the doctor would be a lifestyle will be the mainstay to monitor your progress and the treatment. See, if you are a known case of diabetes and hypertension or a previous history of heart attack, you should stick to your make all the arrangements so that the blood pressure and the diabetes are under control. Make the necessary lifestyle and dietary modifications as advised by the doctor, and you should see for the early symptoms of heart failure, like developing shortness of breath or easy fatigue, swelling of the feet, feet, or it could be a generalized swelling, then you should consult your doctor immediately so that you don't go into the next stage of heart failure, where it would be a little more difficult, where you need to be hospitalized. So if you recognize the early signs of heart failure, then you should go to your visit to your doctor and get evaluated properly, and it can be treated with medications. But if you are already having all the symptoms of heart failure, with fatigue and shortness of breath and everything, then make the necessary lifestyle changes, dietary changes, and later on the heart failure medication has been added, and speak to your doctor and evaluate, go to him for your evaluation and progress, and so that a proper treatment can be advised. And if need be later on, the intervention is maybe required in certain severe cases of heart failure, then you need to go for an intervention. Otherwise, nowadays it is easily manageable with drugs.